Hello everyone, welcome back to our stock analysis channel. Today we're gonna talk about Wolfspeed, not the animal wolf. It's a stock, Wolfspeed, and the ticker is WOLF, Wolf. All right. Well, we can see that from $8 to over $70 in under a year. Wolfspeed just right almost 160% in 6 weeks. Is this a dead cat bones or is the original silicon carbide pioneer finally waking up? Let's break it down in several minutes. Wolfspeed is the world's leading pure-play silicon carbide or SiC semiconductor company. We have a brief introduction about Wolfspeed. They design and manufacture power devices and the materials for electric vehicles, AI data centers, renewable energy, and industrial power systems. Think of them as the picks and shovels play behind the electrification megatrend. Their crown jewel is the Mohawk Valley Fab in New York, the first 200 millimeter SiC device fab on the planet, and they are already prepping 300 millimeter wafer tech for the next generation. Very fancy, right? And this is a brief introduction about Wolf. Very fancy, very fantastic. Okay, so what drives the upward trend? There are three catalysts. The first one is the bankruptcy overhang is gone. Wolfspeed successfully emerged from Chapter 11 restructuring. Chapter 11 is a U.S. bankruptcy code allowing financially distressed business to restructure their debts and operations. They refinanced $476 million of high-cost first-line debt, slashed total debt by almost $100 million, and cut annual interest expense by an estimated $62 million. That's real cash flow relief, and the balance sheet just got a lot less scary. Okay, the catalyst 2, AI data centers. Well, while EV demand has been soft, Wolfspeed's AI data center revenue surged of roughly 30% sequentially in Q3 2026, following a 50% jump in Q2. Power efficiency in AI server racks is becoming mission critical, and the SiC chips are winning there. Well, Catalyst 3, Asia Pacific expansion is locked in. The company just appointed Yasuhisa Harita. This name sounds like Japanese. This Japanese guy as regional president for Asia Pacific based in Tokyo. Oh, really? And Korea and ASEAN and ASEAN are core EV and power electronics markets. This is not a press release hire. It is a signal that Wolfspeed is serious about cracking the supply chains that matter. Alright, let's have a technical analysis. Okay, the chart is a very strong upward trend, right? After a brutal multi-year downtrend, Wolf printed a pivot bottom near $8 in late 2025. Sorry. And has been stair-stepping higher ever since. The stock recently broke above its 20-day moving average with conviction. That's your short-term trend filter. Okay, this is just a healthy pullback. And now the RSI, Relative Strength Index, is sitting in the mid 80s. Technically, technically overbought, right? Which means the stock is hot, but also stretched. In momentum trading, overbought can stay overbought, but it warns you that a pullback or consolidation is likely before the next big move. Okay, here's how I am looking at it. This is how my opinion going on. So what is a high conviction, high volatility turnaround story, not a blue chip dividend play? If you are trading it, wait for a pullback, alright, wait for a pullback. Especially when the prices stand stably on the 20-day moving average. If you are already long, just wait, okay? Just let the uptrend make profit for you. Respect the volatility. All right. And Wolfspeed is transitioning from a broken balance sheet story to a demand recovery story. Right? The chapter 11 exists. The AI data center ramp and the Asia push give you 3 tangible catalysts. But the company is still burning cash. Gross margins are negative and the profitability is not tomorrow's headline. Trade the trend, manage your risk, and the size for a speculative position. Alright, this is educational purposes, not only, not financial advice. And always do your own due diligence before making your investment decisions. Alright, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So remember to click the like and the subscribe and leave a comment about this stock, bullish or bearish. We will have one-on-one consultation. Okay, see you next time.